how to perform some assisted PNF stretching on the extensors of the neck. When we are focusing on the extensors of the neck, we will be targeting mostly the muscles such as the trapezius and the levator scapula. For this one, we are going to get behind the client. You are going to take your hand underneath the base of the skull, and then you are going to flex their neck towards their chest. So you want to try and bring their chin towards their chest. Once they can't go anymore, you're going to ask them to look up. And after 4 to 7 seconds, you're going to give them another tap, they're going to relax, and you're going to take them deeper into the stretch. If you want to add an added antagonist contraction, what we can do is 2 taps, they're going to push back. And now this time, instead of resting, I want you to bring your chin towards your chest. Now, with this stretch over here, if we just go straight into the movement, we're going to be mostly targeting the muscles that run longitudinally along the spine. If we want to target different fibers, we can play around with the angles a little bit. So we can bring the head to the opposite armpit and do the same thing on the other side, and that will allow us to stretch all the different angles of the fibers that run along the neck.